How do you lock your track? To lock your track, here there are many video tracks over here, and in each video track there are three options, whether it's disable video track, disable sync lock, and lock track. This is the first option given over here in your video track. That is how you lock your track, by clicking on it. Once you click on the lock track, the track gets locked completely and you can't move it. Now you can't do anything with it. Basically, now if your track is not locked and you want to cut something, once we try cutting the text, it affects all the clips, all the video tracks, and cuts all the tracks. So if you just want to cut the text, let's go back. So if you want to just cut the text and do not want to cut other parts of the video, let's try locking. We lock the tracks. By locking the tracks, then we use the cut tool. Cut. Now the text gets cut without the other clips getting affected. Now you can see the audio layer also gets cut over in between. So if you don't want the audio layer also to get cut, we lock the audio track too, and now we use the cut tool. Cut. Now the audio gets cut and other clips remain as it is. Now you can unlock your track and everything's back to normal. That's how you use the lock track feature. Thank you.